Hi everyone, welcome back. We are talking about geometric image transformation functions. In this module, last we talked about resize. Today we will talk about get perspective transform and warp perspective. These two functions actually working together, and today we will see about these two. What these functions actually do to visualize to you. Let me check. Warp open warp perspective open CV. If I want to show what it's actually doing, basically it's just changing the perspective of any pictures according to your input parameters. As you can see in these pictures, it's basically changing. For example, if you define these points and if you define the size of the new output, then it will change the perspective according to your parameters, and it will give this result. These functions are used much in the image processing projects, and today we will talk about these two functions and how it's working. I wanna work on these two image. My point is, first of all, I wanna change perspective. This one, for example, I wanna look at this frontally, and looks. I just wanna change this perspective to my according to C straight, and also this book little looking at from the left side, and I wanna look at this front side. Let's see. And first of all, we should know about the points. This 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the order is important in here. First of all, you should define here, then here, then here, and then lastly the here. These 4 points you should define. Let's define them. CV point. This should be to float because warp perspective taking float input in here. Actually, it should define, or this this one, yeah. As you can see, its array type is 0.2f, and that's why we are defining as 0.2f, and we will give this as a source, and destination will be different also. Let's call it source points, and this will be an array. And now we will write the points according from left. This one, let's say I'm checking from here the coordinates. This coordinates 722 to 142. Let's write it. Actually, it will be 4. Let's write add all first. Okay, this one is 1226 453. And these are this is 240. This one, and lastly here 735 to 1200. Okay, why giving error? Because of this. And this is done, and equally we will do one more for destination matrix, and this will be destination. And in here we will define mainly in the documentation says also this is destination. It didn't explain, interesting. Okay, this is for the source sizes. Also it will start from this to this. For example, here how you wanna see in the as a coordinate in the output image. For example, 0 to 0 should be, if you wanna directly that one, 0 to 0, And the second point here, I wanna x should be, for example, 500, let's say 500, and again 0 y-axis, and I'm back to here. This part should be, because longer, the height little longer than the width, so let's say here 800 and 800 to 0, 0 to 800. Okay, and here lastly should be 500 to 800, and done. The array of point to f is done, and let's see what else. Here is done. The method is not important, just there is two method already, so we don't need to define this. This is done basically, and word perspective is the function will calculate according to our get perspective input. So now we will define a matrix, because we know source image, we will give destination image. Input array, now we will write. This is the size, desired size, and these are, I told in the previous videos, not really important in here. Okay, let's define this one. M is 3.3 transformation matrix. Since we cannot calculate this directly, OpenCV has a perfect function which is get perspective transform. We will get it by that. Let's define that M is with the big M, or let's say matrix, is equal to CV get perspective transform. Input array is source point. Output array is destination points, and nothing else. Okay. Now we will call warp perspective. Input array is input. Where is output? Also, let's try to define for output window, because our image is little bigger. And also let's define output matrix, and also show that. Okay, and now what else? Input we give, output we give, matrix we give, what else? Size. Size should be equal to here, which you define. For example, 500 to 500, 800 we give. You will more understand after I give the results. Seems done. Let's try. Okay. Now, according to our input parameters, which we checked here by manually, which coordinates these are, and after that we change the perspective of this gimbal card image, according which as an output this one, and in here the coordinates again, let's check, for example 500 to 800, this coordinates, and this means we gave x as a width and height as a height as an 800. That's why this resolution is according to this change, and like this. Let's pass on the book site. Let's also change this book. Okay, let's define this as 2, and let's directly try what will happen. Since we didn't give the right input coordinates, so it's wrong. Let's define quickly the right ones. For example, here let's say 122 to 340. Here 700 to 83. Okay, and here is 570 to 100, 1100. Okay, it's gone. Let's rework. And here is 1250, 100, 2050, and 760. Okay, and maybe we didn't give the good input, so that's why different. But basically I think you understood what the get perspective and what perspective means. And in this video simply we talk about these two and give the results, and see you in the next videos.